welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Fboxx. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly open it and see what all is there. But before that, let me tell you that Fboxx has different variants. I'll be unboxing the CGG box, and the price for this one is 799 rupees. Earlier, now they have reduced the prices to 499 rupees, which is amazing. Now let's open the box and start the unboxing. The first thing here is this. This is a note from CGG Cosmetics, and it says, whatever your brown, it's beautiful. Hey, my CGG girl. Thank you for buying this vegan, paraben, sulfate-free product. So these are paraben-free, sulfate-free, and these are vegan, which is also cruelty-free. I know your skin products are so important to us on so many levels. We also go through so many changes which can cause skin problems, insecurities. So I wanted to come up with a line that has all good stuff but remain affordable and accessible. Puts a glow on your face, in your heart, makes you feel clean, green and gorgeous. That's why it's CGG, clean, green and gorgeous. I love you. Thank you for your love. So that's the note from CGG. So yes, I love the idea that they have given all the detail here. Now moving on to the box. So this is how it looks. Let me open this and take out all the product. I'm gonna start with the face wash. So first thing is this. Of course, all the products are from CGG. I've already told you. This is the Shiny Dip face wash. Hyaluronic acid it has. So hyaluronic acid 2.5% and vitamin C. This is how it looks. Now the price for this one is 550 rupees. The quantity is 100 ml, and I love the packing, and I'm definitely looking forward to use this one. Of course, the look, the feel, everything looks really nice, the packing and everything. So yes, definitely going to use this one. It has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. What more you can ask? So yes, definitely going to try it. And you know, the price for this one is 550, and you're just paying for the whole box, you're just paying 499 rupees. So I think yes, you can just decide. Now, the second product here is the sunscreen kit, and this is Sunscreen Facial Mist. SPF 40 it has. It will protect you from UVE and UVB rays, and this is how it looks. You can just spray this all over your face. So yes, I love the idea. The packing and everything is just great. The price for this one is 500 again. So yes, a very useful product, especially in winters, because in winters we love the sun, but you should use a good sunscreen. So yes, I think this is the most important thing in your skincare product, skincare range. Now, moving on to the third product. This is the D10 Facial Scrub. Even Steven is the name. This is how it looks. The price for this one is 350 rupees. The quantity for this one is 100 gram again. As I've told you, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free. These are just vegan product. So looks really nice. And I was actually looking for a really good facial scrub. So yes, I think I'm gonna use this one for sure. So this is how it looks. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is Collagen Peptide Night Facial Serum. Collagen Peptide Complex it has. This is how it looks. The price for this one is 900 rupees. Wow. 30 ml is the quantity. This is how it looks. And if you want me to open it, let me just open it and show you. I love the packing. See? Wow. So this is the cute white bottle here. Yes, I love it. Very pretty. So I love the feel, the presentation, everything is just perfect. Now moving on to the next one, the last one actually. The last one is nighttime skin renewing moisturizer with collagen. So this is how it looks. The price for this one is 700 rupees, and this again comes with this pump thing. So yes, looking forward for this. You can just pump out the moisturizer here. So this is the last product, and yes, if you ask me, I love this box because yes, I've used 1-2 product from CGG and I love the feel. And in this range you can just see face wash is there, sunscreen is there, D10 scrub is there, the night cream, night serum, night moisturizer and night serum is there. So I think it's just a complete skincare range for you. So yes, I love it, and if you like it, just go to the description box, because there I will be mentioning all the details, the buying link and everything in the description box. So yeah, that's all about Fboxx, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye.